Hey traders, Raghee here, and we're going to talk about the index sector stock process for setups. Starting off with the Dow, which of the three indices is the weakest. It has the most consecutive grab candles. That's going to lead me to the industrials, which is the weakest sector within the Dow. Again, take a look at the red grab candles. Now, once I've dialed into where the weakness is in a market that is just waiting to roll over, October is just primed for panic. Now I can go about finding the weakest stock, and that is going to lead me to Honeywell, heavy weighted, double red grab candles. In other words, it looks a lot like XLI. Now, once I have Honeywell in my sight, what I can do is start to set up. Well, it's a short the rip, meaning we're below the 200 exponential using the simpler propulsion. We've got the double red. We've got the red grab candles. This is the structure that you will get very comfortable with as the market continues to go lower. In fact, if you start to recognize these patterns, your watch list is then going to adapt really naturally to the weakness that we could see here. So that's the process. Index sector stock, and then focus then on the red grab candles and the JT multi. That's going to be what you can trust, because we want to trade what we see. We don't want to pick tops in tech. We don't want to pick tops in financials. Those are not showing these same visuals with the red grab candles and the JT multi and trading below the 200. So look at this pattern, rinse and repeat, and this is how we're going to navigate the weakness that we could see as we go through the month. Hey traders, Raghee from Simpler Trading. Thank you so much for watching this video. Be sure to leave a like and a comment below. And remember, subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll get notified of the next update. And when you're ready to join me for live trading, be sure to head on over to simplertrading.com. I'll see you in the next update.